Now, the latest news is about Facebook facing a lawsuit from the Department of Justice. And from this article in April 2020. Now, this is not just about Facebook. I'm also going to be showing how Facebook supported Amanda Knox, a murderer. Facebook supports murderers and it censors conservative speech and it promotes fake news, which could be life-threatening to you. When I read this story, you'll find out. I know many people are, addicted to Facebook, but after this, I hope you consider, canceling your subscription. Here we go. Facebook fact checkers are the real fake news after censoring post story. Way back, February 23rd, 2020, the Post ran an opinion piece by Stephen Mosher saying that we couldn't trust China's story about the origins of the COVID-19 virus. He argued that the virus might have jumped to the human population thanks to errors at the Chinese laboratory in Wuhan rather than via the city's now notorious quote wet market. The piece was read the piece was read widely online until Facebook stepped in. Facebook fact checkers decided that this was not a valid opinion. If you tried to share Mosher's column on Facebook, the social network struck a, quote, false information alert on top, saying that the finding was checked by independent fact checkers and preventing your friends from clicking to connect to the original article. Wow. So when news is breaking out and people are talking about the fact that the CCP lied to the world, February 23rd, this is a month before everyone really found out that, yeah, the CCP is lying to everyone. They lied to who and who lied to us. And Facebook prevented that. There's one example, just one example of how Facebook censorship could be detrimental to your health and well-being. And not only through their fake news, but also just step back a little bit in time. Facebook has colluded with criminals, with murderers like Amanda Knox. Way back here, when did this happen again? I don't have the date. Oh, here we go. December 2017, not that long ago. Facebook ordered 3 Vice shows for Amanda Knox so that she, the murderer, could sit there and whine and say, "I'm so treated unfairly. Oh, I'm Amanda Knox, and I've been treated so unfairly. No, you haven't, Amanda. You're a fucking murderer. Murderer." I'm sorry, I have to do that. That's her fake tears that she tries to do. You ever see her give her speeches where she does her fake tears? It's actually very easy to imitate. It sounds bizarre because that's the way she sounds, but that is very easy to do. Oh, oh. So she had her Knox hosted the Scarlet Letter reports. And Facebook paid a ton of money to the murderess, and she also spoke to Facebook. She went to their headquarters and spoke to them there. So Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, not only is defending the Chinese Communist Party, who's out to destroy the Western world, trying to destroy America, which is proven during these George Floyd hyped up protests where there were people, Chinese military men speaking Mandarin, throwing tear gas at the White House. This was caught on video. It circulated around. And Facebook supports murderers like Amanda Knox. So think twice before you do anything with Facebook. That's all I gotta say. So I hope you all have a wonderful day and stay safe, everyone. Don't believe anything you read on Facebook. Take care. Bye-bye.